on, Cam fam? How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well. And as you can tell, I am stupid stoked. So, I will tell you guys why. We surpassed 200 subscribers. If I'm correct, we are at 209. And I'm saying we because it's not just my channel, it's our channel, because I wouldn't be where I'm at today without you guys showing me love and support. Come on, brain and tongue, work with me. Wake up, it's not nap time yet.
I'm tired, boss.
We wouldn't be here if you guys weren't loving and supporting my channel the way you guys are. So I thank you guys so much for that. It means a lot. Let's keep growing. I'm planning on doing another giveaway at 500 subscribers, which is going to be a bigger one than this one. And then the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, that one's going to be a big one. You don't want to miss out on that one. I guarantee you that. But I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm not going to tell you what the 500 subscriber giveaway is going to be. But I wanted to start this one small to see how you guys would react to this one. I wanted to see what kind of reaction I would get. You guys are crooked. But what are you going to win and how do you enter? Well, let me explain how you enter first. So you must be subscribed to my channel. You must be following the gram. And the last thing is you got to comment hashtag CamFam, KAMFAM, along with your Instagram handle. So it just makes everything easier for you and I, because whoever the winner is, I can just, go to your Instagram page, follow you and DM you, and it just makes everything easier. So along with your comment of hashtag CamFam, put your Instagram handle in there, so it just makes everything easier. What are you gonna win? I don't know if you haven't seen my other previous vlog. It was like 2 vlogs ago explaining what it was. It is a custom apparel. It's going to be either a sweatshirt, long sleeve shirt, or a t-shirt, whatever you choose. Whatever the winner chooses, I will reach out to you and ask you, hey, which one do you want? And it's going to have a picture of your favorite picture of your car for the car enthusiasts who are following me for their car vlogs. Or if you're just following me for fun and don't care about the cars, it can be a picture of whatever you want. It can be a picture of your cat, your family, your grandma eating a cookie, a goldfish eating a cookie. I don't know. It's entirely up to you, however you want to make it fun. But this video is the official video saying that the giveaway is now active. So you have from today, whenever the video is posted, which I'm thinking tomorrow, which is Tuesday for you guys, until Saturday, and I will pick the winner on Sunday and post that video on Monday. I know that's a lot I just threw at you. It sounds more confusing than how it actually is, but trust me, it makes sense to me because I'm the one that makes the videos. So, yes, I thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. Let's keep going. I want to get to 500. Only you guys are in control of that. Only you guys have the control of how fast I get to the 500 and how fast I get to 1,000. I'm hoping that it's faster than I think. But like I said, only you guys are in control of hitting that subscribe button. So if you aren't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button for more future giveaways, and you have a chance to win something pretty cool and big. So I'm going to hop off here. I just wanted to pop on saying that the giveaway is now active. So I wish you guys the best of luck. Thank you again for 200 subscribers. Let's keep growing as a family. That's right. I consider you guys come on, brain and tongue. It's not nap time yet. I consider you guys family because I get to meet you guys out in public. You guys are so cool and chill. I absolutely love you guys. So, yeah, I just wouldn't be here today without you guys. And I wouldn't have I don't even want to say success, but the success of my channel without you guys. So it's all thanks to you guys. That's why I say it's our channel, not just mine. So I'm gonna hop off here and get editing on this video and post it. So I will catch y'all next time. So I'm already doing the peace sign. Peace.